Good morning, all. Today, as I have told you in the class yesterday, I am recording this session for your reference. So I want you to just go through and understand, completely study the session and come for the prepared for the Monday's class. So we started understanding the power spectral density of the various line coding technique. So so just a quick recap of what we have done. So this is how the representation of the pulse x of t for any sequence or the line coding sequence. So mathematically we can represent it as ak v of t minus kt, in which ak is nothing but the symbol, value or discrete values which depends upon the coding technique, and V of t is the basic pulse. Again, this will change depending upon the coding technique. So we have already seen for unipolar format, polar format and Manchester format the different kind. Here you please understand that the polar format and Manchester format are having the same kind of AK. Okay, so the AK, that is the discrete value for symbol 1. Here also it is plus A. For symbol 0, here it is minus A. Similarly for Manchester also, for symbol 1 it is plus A and symbol 0 it is minus A. Okay, and for the basic pulse of V of t for unipolar format and polar format is this one, and for Manchester format it's a doublet pulse. Okay, and next is quaternary format. For quaternary format, the AK takes the 4 different combination for symbol 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So 4 different combinations I have given it here. And the basic pulse V of t, the basic pulse V of t is extending from minus TB to plus TB. Okay. So now next, the power spectral density equation. This is the generalized equations what we have seen. So here V of f is nothing but the Fourier transform of V of t, and RA of n is nothing but the autocorrelation the function AK. Okay, so we started understanding how to derive V of f from V of t. First is the unipolar format, polar format, where you are having the same kind of basic pulse. So here this is the V of t. You take Fourier transform. So we got f, which is nothing but TB sinc of TB. Similarly for quaternary, we got V of f, and the third different pulses, our Manchester format, which is a doublet pulse, and for this we got a f like this. Till this we have completed yesterday, and we started understanding the power spectra, how to calculate the power spectra. So we have understood how to calculate V of f component. Next is RA of n. RA of n is nothing but an autocorrelation function. Okay, so RA of n again will be changing with for different formatting, different line coding format. So RA of n is nothing but expectation of AK with AK minus n. AK is nothing but the discrete value at the kth interval. So we are concentrating with on the complete sequence x of t at two different intervals we are concentrating. So here I have just written, I have just given here how to represent 1, 0 in unipolar format. 1 is represented by positive A voltage and 0 is represented by 0 volts. Now we are just having an assumption that the symbol is getting generated in equally likely manner, in the sense the probability of generating symbol 1, that is binary 1 and binary 0 are equal. Therefore probability of AK equal to plus A or probability of AK equal to 0, both are equal, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we are trying to find out what is RA of n. So when n equal to 0, that is autocorrelation of the sequence in the same duration. N equal to 0 means that we are correlating the same duration. So it may be either n only or 0 only. So if it is 1, then we'll have it as plus A. So plus A into 1 by 2. Probability of the probability is 1 by 2. Or if it is 0, 0 into 0 into 1 by 2. So we have written here, and we got RA of n, which is nothing but expectation of A square equal to A square by 2 when n is equal to 0. When n is not equal to 0, we are concentrating on two different intervals. So when we are concentrating on two different intervals, we came to know that both the intervals may be 0, 0, 0A or A0 or AA. Okay. So if as we have taken equally likely probability for 0 also 1 by 2, for A also, so A also 1 by 2. So you get 1 by 4, all the components you get 1 by 4. Okay, so accordingly, RA of n is nothing but 0, 0 into 1 by 4 plus 0A 1 by 4 plus A0 1 by 4 plus AA 1 by 4. So you know zeros all this. So finally we got RA of n equal to A square by 4 when n is not equal to 0 and A square by 2 when n is equal to 0. This is for unipolar formatting. Okay. So next we will try to understand how to find RA of n for polar formatting. So let us complete RA of n part and then we will go for the spectrum spectrum part. Okay. So RA of n for polar formatting. So in polar formatting, you know AK takes the value of plus A when symbol 1, okay, or minus A for symbol 0. So here, like again as usual, you can concentrate when n equal to 0. When n equal to 0, what will happen when n is equal to 0? RA of n is nothing but can be written as expectation of AK square. So here again you can assume equally likely. Okay, equally likely probability. Therefore, as you are assuming equally likely probability, probability of AK equal to plus A will be equal to probability of AK equal to minus A equal to 1 by 2. So when you are taking expectation of AK the whole square, it means that you are concentrating on the same period. That is, if you want to concentrate, if you are having 1 and 0, 1 is represented by plus A, 0 is represented by minus A. So if you say n is equal to 0, it means that you are concentrating on the same period, either on the same period. So it may be either plus A only or minus A only. So therefore, RA of n is nothing but AK, expectation of AK square, which is nothing but plus A into plus A, okay, into 1 by 2 plus minus A into 1 by 2. So you can make it as A square by 2 plus A square by 2, which is nothing but A square. So RA of n equal to A square when n is equal to 0. Now let us try to understand when n is not equal to 0. When n is not equal to 0, under this case, you are concentrating on different period, not on the same period, that bit duration, on different bit duration. So when you are concentrating on different bit duration, you can have any combination. Okay. So what are the possible combination at a combination of binary at different bit duration? Okay, so combination of binary at different bit duration. So you may have binary like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So if it is 0 0, what is that symbol? The symbol is nothing but 0 0. 0 is represented minus A. The 0 is also represented by minus A. So minus A into minus A is A square. Here you have minus A into plus A. So this is minus A square. Here again you have minus A square. Here you will have plus A square. Okay. So this is the symbol. And as we have assumed the probability are equally likely, the probability for everything will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Okay, so now you can just find RA of n when n is not equal to 0, which is nothing but RA of n is nothing but expectation of AK minus n, because n is not equal to 0, AK minus n. So which is nothing but, you can see here, these are the 4 possible combinations. So it's nothing but A square 1 by 4 plus minus A square 1 by 4 plus minus A square 1 by 4 plus A square into 1 by 4. So A square 1 by 4 plus minus A square, minus A square, not minus of A, minus A square by 4 plus minus A square by 4 plus A square by 4. So if you add everything, you will get everything get cancelled out. So you can say RA of n equal to 0 when n is not equal to 0. So for polar formatting, Okay, for polar formatting, you got RA of n is equal to a square when n is equal to 0 and 0 when n is not equal to 0. These are the two things for polar formatting. Okay, now coming to Manchester formatting. So for Manchester formatting, which is something, the AK value is something similar to polar formatting. See, in Manchester also you have AK equal to plus A for symbol 1. Okay, and minus A for symbol 0. In Manchester, the difference between Manchester and polar formatting is lies under V of T. For V of T for polar formatting is a single pulse, whereas V of T for Manchester formatting is a doublet pulse. Okay, so only the signal is changing. Whereas AK for polar formatting also you can see here we have written AK equal to plus A or minus A for symbol 1 and 0 respectively. The same thing holds for Manchester formatting, plus A or minus A for symbol 1 and 0. Therefore, you need not have the derivation. You can continue with the same derivation what you have done for the polar formatting. So the Manchester formatting RA of n is same as a polar formatting, which is nothing but A square when n is equal to 0 and 0 when n is not equal to 0. So I am not repeating the Manchester formatting. So the same derivation you can carry out. Okay. And now before doing bipolar formatting, let us concentrate on quaternary formatting. Quaternary polar formatting. So in quaternary polar formatting, we are having 2 digit per symbol, 2 binary digit per symbol. Okay, 2 binary digit per symbol. Therefore, accordingly here 2 binary digit in the sense 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 0 is represented by minus 3a. This is represented by minus a. This can be represented by plus a and this can be represented by plus 3a. Okay, so this we have already discussed how are we choosing this representation and everything. So now again let us assume equally likely. Let us assume equally likely generation. So if you are assuming equally likely symbols, then 4 symbols you are having. So if you divide it into equally likely, you will have probability of 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So this is the probability of generating the symbol minus 3a, minus a level, plus a level and plus 3a level. So this is the probability. Okay. So now again what we try to do is what is RA of n when n is equal to 0. So again here again n equal to 0 means that we are concentrating on the same bit duration, that is same symbol duration. So that duration it have only minus 3a or only minus a or only plus a or only plus 3a, any combination. Okay, so RA of n is nothing but expectation of AK square. So now these are the 4 possible combinations, symbol combinations we are having. As I have told you, when n is equal to 0, we are concentrating on the same symbol duration. So same symbol duration, it can take any of the 4 value, only one of the 4 value, minus 3a with minus or minus a only or plus a only or plus 3a only. So you can just write RA of n is nothing but minus 3a the whole square why? Because AK square, right, into the probability, that is 1 by 4 plus of minus a the whole square into the probability. You can even put as a table and you can even do it here. Okay, so minus 3a the whole square by 4, a square minus a the whole square by 4, here plus a the whole square by 4 or plus 3a the whole square by 4. So this becomes 9a square by 4. Here only a square by 4. Here only a square by 4. 9a square by 4, which is nothing but totally 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 a square by 4. So 5a square. So you can even write it like this or you can put a table like this and you can complete. Okay. So a square 1 by 4 plus 3a the whole square into 1 by 4. So if you do this addition, RA of n is nothing but 5 times of a square when n is equal to 0. Okay. So now we completed finding out what is a when n equal to 0. Next, we need to try to understand when n is not equal to 0, what may happen. So when n is not equal to 0, we are concentrating on two different symbol duration. Okay, if it is same symbol duration, we know only exactly 4 combination. But now we are trying to understand two different symbol duration. So this two different symbol duration may be anything, any combination, say first duration and the length duration. Maybe minus, both may be minus 3a, or one may be minus 3a with minus a, or one may be minus 3a with plus a, or another may be 1 minus 3a with plus 3a. Like this, as you are having 4 basic symbols, you will have 16 different combinations. So you can write the 16 different combinations like this. So you can write like this: symbol combinations, and then level, and then you can find the probability. So here I will do it as a table so that it is easy for you. Probability, and then the expectation of the combination. Okay, so the symbol combination, when we talk on the symbol combination, as I have told you, you may have 0 0 combined with 0 0 itself, or 0 0 with 0 1, 0 0 with 1 0, 0 0 with 1 1. So 0 0, that is minus 3a, level is minus 3a in the first duration. In the next duration, in all these 4 combinations, you can see minus 3a is in the first duration, and in the nth duration, you are having either 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, or 1 1. So if it is 0 0, the level is minus 3a, 0 1, the level is minus a, 1 0, the level is plus a, 1 1, the level is plus 3a. So you are just going to multiple. Okay, this is for the first combination. First combination in the sense, if you have 0 0 in the first level. Instead, if you have the next possibility is you are having 0 1 in the first level. So 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 1. So 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 1. Like this. Here 0 1, the level is minus a for the first bit duration. And the second bit duration, you can see it may be minus 3a, minus a, plus 3a, plus a, and plus 3a. Okay, or you can also have 1 0 in the first duration with 0 0, 1 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 1. So here you have first duration, you are having 1 0, 1 0 is plus a, which is going to get multiplied with minus 3a, minus a, plus a, and plus 3a. Okay, finally you are having 1 1 with 0 0, 1 1 with 0 1, 1 1 with 1 0, 1 1 with 1 1. So 1 1 is 3a in the first duration, and the next duration may be minus 3a, minus a, plus 3a, plus a, and plus 3a. Okay, so these are the levels. So when I'm talking about the levels, you have to multiple this. Okay, so multiplication, since here you have minus 3a into minus a. 3a is nothing but plus 9a square. Here you will have plus 3a square. Here minus 3a square. Here minus 9a square. So like that you need to multiple. Next is probability. In this probability, as we know, we have assumed an equally likely symbol. We know the probability of generating 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 are equally likely. So already we have told that 1 by 4 is the probability of generating each symbol. So coming to this symbol combination, here the probability of generating this level in the first position is 1 by 4. In 10th position is also 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4. So this happens for all the combinations. So the probability for, because as we have taken equally likely. So similarly for the second also 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So the probability for this is 1 by 16. So you can directly write the probability of all the 16 combination are equally likely. So the probability is 1 by 16 for all the 16 combinations. Okay, so you may get everything as a equally likely. Over. So next what you can do is you are finding the expectation. So what is this expectation? Level multiplied by the probability. So level is what? 9a square into the probability is 1 by 16. So here for the first row you get 9a square by 60. Here second row 3a square by 60. For the third row you get minus 3a square by 60. By fourth row minus 9a square, 9a square by 16. Similarly here for the fifth row you get plus 3a square by 16. Sixth row you get plus a square by 16. Seventh row minus a square by 16. Eighth row you get minus 3a square by 16. Okay, and here the next for this combination of the rows you get minus 3a square by 16 minus a square by 16 plus a square by 16 plus 3a square by 16. Similarly for the final segment minus 9a square by 16 minus 3a square by 16 plus 3a square by 16 and plus 9a square by 16. Okay, so now finally to find RA of n, what you are going to do, you got an expectation of the individual component, just add the expectation of all these individual component to get the RA of n. So when you try to add for this final column, what will happen, you can see here plus 9a square by 16 will get cancelled with minus 9a square by 16. Similarly plus 3a square by 16 will be getting cancelled with minus 3a square by 16. So this happens for the first segment. Similarly for the second segment, 3a plus positive is here, negative is here. Here sorry, okay, positive is here, negative is here, which will get cancelled. Positive a square, here negative a square will get cancelled. Similarly for this segment also, negative and positive will get cancelled. Here in the final segment also you can see minus 9a square, here you are having plus 9a square, minus a square plus 3a square. So ultimately what will happen is when you try to add all these things in the final column, you will get the answer is 0. Therefore, for bipolar formatting, RA of n equal to 0 when n is not equal to 0. So finally consolidating for, sorry, not for bipolar, for quaternary formatting. So quaternary formatting, for finally to consolidate, RA of n takes the answer 5a square when n is equal to 0 and 0 when n is not equal to 0. This is for quaternary formatting. Okay, so finally let us understand for bipolar formatting. Okay, so bipolar formatting, like for bipolar formatting, you need to be very careful when you are drawing. Say for example, 1 0, you have a sequence 1 1 0 like this. In bipolar formatting, what you will do, for 0 you are representing by 0 only, but the symbol 1 may be plus a or minus a for symbol 1 alternatingly. For symbol 0, it is 0 only. Okay, this is the AK for bipolar formatting. So what you will do is, first time when you are coming across 1, you will put plus A, and for 0 you will use the label 0 volts only. Next time you are coming across 1, already for 1 you have given positive amplitude. Now for the next one you will give negative amplitude, that is minus A. Again you are coming across 1, so you will go with positive amplitude, which is plus A. And 0 is 0. Okay, so in bipolar formatting, you cannot you are not only going to concentrate on n equal to 0 and n is not equal to 0. You should also concentrate on n is equal to 1, exactly n equal to 1. That is why, because you can see if two symbols, two ones are adjacent, one is positive, another one is negative. Okay, see, when n is equal to 0, it means that you are concentrating on only one symbol duration. So you will have only either plus a combination or minus a combination or 0 combination. Only plus a combination, minus a combination and 0 combination. Okay, so but when you are concentrating on two different interval at any different location other than 1, you may have plus a with 0, plus a with minus a, or 0 with plus a, 0 with minus a, or minus a with plus a, minus a with 0, minus a with minus a, plus a with plus a, 0 with 0. Any combination you may have. Okay. But when you are concentrating on adjacent component, exactly adjacent interval, you can see here, this two ones, adjacent ones. One is obviously only negative, another one is exactly positive. Okay, when you concentrate on different intervals, you may say two ones may be positive, both may be positive, or both may be negative. One is positive, one is negative, or one is negative, one is positive. Okay, like that you may have. But when you are talking on the adjacent symbol, you may have if you are having one combination, for this one combination, one part will be negative and 100% another part will be positive. Okay, so I will just explain it here. See, first of all, understand how to generate the probability. So probability, assuming equally likely symbol, equally likely symbol, in the sense here you need to understand probability of 0, that is the signal 0 is getting generated, is equal to probability of signal system generating 1 is equally likely, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so probability of AK equal to 0 volts is 1 by 2, but probability of AK, this one, when we are talking on binary one, this binary one can take two values, either it may take positive voltage or it may take negative voltage. Okay, so this probability of AK equal to 1 can be of two types, either probability of AK equal to plus A, or probability of AK equal to minus A. So probability of generating AK equal to 1, symbol 1, that is binary 1, is 1 by 2 only. But when we are talking on levels, it may be either positive or negative. And as we have assumed it is equally likely, let us exactly split this 1 by 2 as 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So what you need to understand is probability of generating AK equal to 0 is 1 by 2. Generating AK equal to plus A is 1 by 4, and probability of generating minus A is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So now, once you got this probability, we are ready to do with the RA of n. So when n is equal to 0, that is RA of n is nothing but expectation of AK square. Okay, so we are concentrating on the same symbol duration. So under this case, you will have three combination. Either you will have this, in the duration whatever you have taken randomly, you may have 0, or you may have plus A, or you may have minus A. Okay, either 0, plus A, or minus A. So if you are having 0, then what you do? You are taking 0 square multiple with the probability is 1 by 2. Or you may have plus A. So if you are having plus A, you will take plus A square multiple with the probability is 1 by 4. Or minus A. If you are concentrating on the symbol duration, minus A whole square with the probability is 1 by 4. So here if you add everything, you get A square by 4 plus A square by 4 is nothing but A square by 2. Okay, so this completes when n is equal to 0. Okay, when n is not equal to 0, as I have told you, you are concentrating on two different equations, and when n is not equal to 1, we are not concentrating on the same duration or the adjacent duration. We are concentrating on different location. Okay, so here not same duration and not adjacent duration. Okay, so that is the case when n is not equal to 0. So, and when n is not equal to 1. So, RA of n is nothing but expectation of AK minus n. So, how many possible combinations you will have? The possible symbols are we may have 0, 0. Okay, here again let me write it as a table. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so when you are talking on 0, 0, for 0 and 0, the level is nothing but 0 and 0 only. For 0, 1, the level is, the first duration is 0, but second duration is 1. This 1 may be plus A or minus A. So here you may have plus A or you may have minus A. Okay, similarly for 1, 0, first duration is 1, right? So first duration is 1, maybe plus A with 0 also 0 or minus A with 0. Okay, these are the levels. Similarly for the last combination 1, 1, here both may be minus A, first duration and the nth duration may be minus A, or first duration is minus A, nth duration is plus A, or first duration is plus A, nth duration is minus A, or both the duration may be plus A. So these are the combinations you will get. Okay. So now when you talk on the probability as we have assumed equally likely symbol for 0 and 0, it is already we have assumed 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. Here for 0 it is 1 by 2, for plus A it is 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 8. Similarly for this one, the 0 probability is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. For this one, probability is 1 by 4. For 0, probability is 1 by 2. Here again you get 1 by 8. Here again you get 1 by 8. Okay. And now for 1, 1, you are having 4 different combinations. Minus A, minus A, minus A, plus A, plus A, minus A, plus A, plus A. 4 different combinations you are having. So the probability minus A into minus A, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 16. So here again 1 by 16, 1 by 16 and 1 by 16. Okay. Now this is the probability. Now you can write the expectation. So what is expectation? Expectation is nothing but the level multiplied by the respective probability. So the level is 0 into 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So you can also multiply here. It is 0. Here it is 0. Here it is 0. Here again 0. Here again 0. Here you are having minus A into minus A is plus A square, minus A square, minus A square, plus A square. So you multiply the level with the probability. So 0 into 1 by 4 is 0. 0 into 1 by 8 is 0. 0 into 1 by 8 is 0. 0 into 1 by 8 is 0. Here again you have 0. Here you are having plus A square by 16. Here minus A square by 16. Similarly minus A square by 16 plus A square by 16. So when you are talking on the autocorrelation function, expectation of AK minus N for all possible combination. Individual possible combinations I have written here in the column. So for all possible combination, you have to submit all these in the last column. So when you are performing the summation, you get only 0 because you can see here you are having plus A square by 16, here minus A square by 16, again minus A square by 16 and plus A square by 16. So everything will get cancelled out. So you have RA of N equal to 0 when N is not equal to 0 and when is not equal to 1. Okay. Now a very important thing, RA of N when N equal to 1. So when N equal to 1, that is adjacent duration. Adjacent duration. When N is equal to 1, what is happening in the adjacent duration? So RA of N is nothing but expectation of AK minus 1, because we have taken N is equal to 1. So AK, instead of writing AK minus N, you will write it as AK minus 1. Now let us see what are the possible symbols and the levels and the probability. Okay, so symbol, level and probability. So symbol as usual, since we are taking the adjacent duration, symbol may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, symbol may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So when we are talking on the level, for 0, 0, it's only 0 volts, so no other issue. We will write 0, 0. For 0, 1, the first duration is 0, the adjacent duration, the next duration is 1. So it may have either 0 plus A or 0 with minus A. Okay, for 1 0, you are having first duration is plus A or minus A, and the next duration, the next adjacent duration may be 0 volts only. It's only 0 volts. So it may be plus A or minus A first duration, but here it is only 0. Now when we concentrate on the 1 and 1, symbol 1 and 1, both are adjacent. As we are talking on adjacent, if the first duration is plus A, next duration obviously will be only minus A, or if the first duration is minus A, next duration is only plus A. You will have only two combination. So here is the difference we are talking with respect to adjacent duration and any other duration. So you can see here, we have just now seen in any other duration, that is when n is not equal to 0 and when n is not equal to 1, what you are having? You are having for 1, 1, you are having 4 possible combination. That is, both can be minus A, one is minus A with plus A, or plus A with minus A, or plus A with plus A. But when you are talking on same adjacent duration, whenever adjacent and alternating. Okay, so here adjacent, this and this are adjacent. So if one is positive one, another one will be obviously negative one. Okay, so we are not having 4 combinations. Instead, we are having only 2 combinations. That is plus A and minus A only. Okay, so now concentrating on the probability. Here, what you need to understand is when you are writing the probability, here you should be very careful when you are writing the probability. As we have already assumed, we are going to take only the probability of 1 by 2 for symbol 0 and probability of 1 by 4 for symbol plus A and probability of 1 by 4 for symbol minus A. Okay. So accordingly, if you do here, if you sum up all the probability, you can say here you try to sum up all the probability. You are having 4 1 by 16, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 here, so 1 by 2, 4 1 by 8 will give you 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. If you sum up all the probability, you will get 1. Okay, but here you have to write the probability, distribute the probability such that you are getting 1. So here for 0 0, we will write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 4. 0 multiplied by A, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Here 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8. Okay. Now here what you have to write is plus A and minus A. Okay, plus A and minus A. You know the probability is 1 by 4. So you will obviously write 1 by 6. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 16. But if you put only 1 by 16, what will happen? You will not get the sum of all the probability equal to 1. That is why, because you are see 2 other possible levels. So you will not get the probability. So instead, directly you will put it as 1 by 8 only here also 1 by 8. Now you try to sum up all the things. See, you can see when you try to sum up all the things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing equal to 1. Okay, so you are having the left out, you are equally dividing for these 2 combinations. Okay, next for expectation as I have told you, you multiple the level with the probability. So the level here it is 0, here it is 0 multiplied by plus A, 0 multiplied by minus A, 0, 0, here it is minus A square, here it is minus A square. So you have 0 for the first component, 0 multiplied by 1 by 8 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 by 8 is 0, here again 0, here again 0, here you are having minus A square by 8, and here you are having again minus A square by 8. Now what is RA of n? RA of n is nothing but expectation of AK into AK minus 1, which is equal to, you have to sum up all the last column, 0, everything. Here you are having minus A square by 8 plus of minus A square by 8, which is equal to minus A square divided by 4. Okay, so summarizing, RA of n will take A square by 2 when n is equal to 0 minus a square by 4 when n is equal to 1 and 0 when n is not equal to and 0 otherwise. You can generally write it as otherwise. Okay, so you can see here we got when n is equal to 1, we got RA of n is minus a square by 4. And when n is not equal to 0 and n is not equal to 1, we got RA of n is 0. And when n equal to 0, we got RA of n is a square by 4. So this is I have summarized. Okay, so now we completed finding out what is RA of n, what is V of f for all different coding format. Okay, so now with this we are ready to plot the power spectra. So let us now try to do the power spectra one by one. So for this video I am stopping here. I will continue in the next video. Thank you.